Today we're going to Wendy's. What the fuck is rattling?
Wendy's old-fashioned hamburger.
Today we're gonna go to Wendy's and get a Wednesday meal. And I'm wearing all black because I thought it would be fitting. I've got my vintage Chanel, my vintage Dior glasses, and I think I'm supposed to be depressed, but let's be honest, there's nothing depressing about this outfit. That lady over there is picking her nose. Okay, we made it. Let's go in. I like how the sign is like stained glass. Ooh, it's bloody, just like they said. The bag is really cute. Okay, we have our meal of misfortune, and now we're gonna go home and eat it. I better go before the car behind me honks. Sorry. Thank you for your patience. Did somebody die to make this? Because there's blood in it. There, I'll give you the W in the correct format for the logo. I'm a great representative. There's blood in it. Do you know that that is supposed to say mom in her thing? Anyway. Okay, now this is what it's supposed to look like. And this is what it actually looks like. Here's the spoon. Oh, it's really cute. It has a skull. And the sauce has a skull too. The bag is really cute on the side too, except for the greasy french fry stains. Let's try the light colored sauce first. It's good. Oh, look, this one's shaped like a Dorito. Or even a pizza slice. It's actually a little nugget. Let's try the darker one. I don't like that one. Let's try a Frosty. I should probably try to take this off because that's ugly. I've made a mess again. Damn it. Ah. Are you guys this incompetent as I am when you eat? The blood has sunk to the bottom. Hard yes on this Frosty. Wait, I didn't get any blood though. Let me get some blood from the bottom. So I was watching a commercial late night one night, and they showed me Wendy's Frosties in new flavors, right? And they showed me in these clear cups, and I was like, it literally kept me up for like an hour pondering, like, if I ordered a Frosty, would it come in a clear cup now? Because they used to come in yellow, like waxy cups when I was little. It's been a long time since I've been to Wendy's. Hire me for all your representative needs. Do you guys remember that episode of King of Queens where Kirstie Alley paid Carrie to watch her eat food?
I told you I have this little trick. I watch other people eat, and then I enjoy the food through them.
Who wants to pay me to eat? This plum sauce, it's very spicy. I don't care for it personally. Now this light colored one, I love it. A big heart. The nuggets, delicious. Yes. The french fries, always a 10 in my book. Oh, french fries. Mmm. And I really love tots too. The Frosty, 10 out of 10. And it comes in a clear cup now, so you can see what you're eating. Yum. I hope you enjoyed watching me eat. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye for now.